Welcome to this walkthrough on how Alteryx and DVW Analytics help you deliver fast, accurate, repeatable SAP data migrations. SAP migrations can be complex, and there are a few things that are required for success, such as performing multiple mock migrations, ensuring transformations are easily understood, and that they can be performed in a clear, consistent, and repeatable manner, automated wherever possible. So, how can DVW and Alteryx help with this? You've probably already realised the power of Alteryx for SAP migrations. It's flexible, repeatable, and easy to document. Every transformation is transparent and repeatable, ideal for migration runs. DVW helps boost this capability with our SAP connectors, which let you read from and write to almost any kind of SAP system. The DVW connectors will help you get up and running in minutes rather than weeks. You can build visual workflows that IT and business users can understand. You can read any kind of SAP object, be that table, transaction, documents, and more. We also offer the capability to write back to SAP using BAPIs, iDocs, OData, or RPA. Robust and effective reconciliation is key to any successful migration. Our reconciliation tool helps provide fast, easily implemented comparison checks directly within your Alteryx workflows. We're going to look at a simple example comparing the units of measure table between an ECC system and an SAP for HANA system. We can simultaneously connect to both systems, extract the table contents, and then pass both outputs into the DVW reconciliation tool. This tool only reports differences between the two inputs, all in one tool with no need for any complex joins or filters to exclude the identical records. It's already done for you. The left anchor shows records that only exist in the source system, and the right anchor shows records that only exist in the target system. The join anchor is special as it takes every record that has any differences and reports them out field by field. Within seconds, Alteryx and the DVW reconciliation tool can identify every difference, such as missing values or mismatched fields. In this case, we can see that there are 228 records that only exist in the source system and 53 records that only exist in the target system. When I click on the join anchor, we see details of any records with field differences. So, for example, the percent unit of measure is configured for 2 decimal places in our source system, but no decimal places in the target system, which could present an issue when we need to migrate the master data that uses those units. Similarly, the unit of measure 1 has some settings in the source system that have not yet been maintained in the target system. The reconciliation tool gives us a clear list ready for review and correction. Now, I'm using this to check a configuration table, but you can use exactly the same tools and processes to compare any master data or transactional table between two systems. With the inbuilt reporting tools from Alteryx, you can automatically generate validation summaries and emails those to data owners. In a few steps, I can take the output and generate an automatic email to the data owner, informing them of which values need correcting. All of this is easily configurable using the standard Alteryx tools. Now, let's take things further by adding some KPI reporting. With Alteryx, you can integrate KPIs and progress reports directly into your workflows. We can track record counts, volumes, runtime benchmarks, transformation quality, and more. These metrics can help your project teams understand migration readiness and identify any early blockers. Transform your SAP migration process with fast, automated, transparent workflows powered by Alteryx and DVW Analytics. Thank you for watching.